Hey there everyone, Joe Amaze here again from josephbuyshomes.com. Hey, today I want to talk to you about the differences between an iBuyer and a professional home buyer like us here at Amaze Properties, and why you should go, in our opinion, with a professional home buyer like us. Professional home buyers offer 5 things that just an iBuyer can't, especially being a local professional home buyer here in the Metro Detroit area. But first, if you ever need to contact us, or just have a question that you think we can answer, please don't hesitate to contact us. Visit us on the web at josephbuyshomes.com, or you can call us at any time, and we'll be happy to help you any way we can. But again, back to the professional home buyer versus iBuyer. What an iBuyer are those big technical buyers through like a technology company, that really is only about profit. So that's one of the reasons that a professional home buyer can help you better than an iBuyer can. We are local to the community, so we can offer you better offers potentially than an iBuyer can, because we know the market, we know where the trends are going. We can offer you more than they can. Two, not only are we local, but we are also real people that are not only for the profit. I mean, we need to make some profit, obviously, but we also care. An iBuyer's sole goal is to make profit. Our goal is to do the same, but also helping you in the process. So if we have to take a little less in order to help you, that's what we'll do. There have been times when we've taken much less, sometimes even broke even, because we said we were going to do something and we followed through with that. So again, we're local. We are not only about the profit, we're here to help you. 3, our holding costs. So a lot of times, if you have to make repairs to the house, a buyer, an iBuyer, won't take that into consideration. They'll have stipulations in their contract where you have to make those repairs. So that's the other thing. The number 4 is repairs. So repairs and holding costs. So if you have to make those repairs yourself, you have to hold that property for as long as it takes to make those repairs. With us, we buy in as-is condition. And we'll buy within 30 days. So you don't have to make those repairs, and you don't have to have long holding costs. That also beefs up your offer price that we can give you. And it helps your bottom line. So yeah, let's say we do come in at the same offer price, but they have a 90-day close because you have to make all those repairs. We won't make you make those repairs, so you only have a 30-day close, meaning you have 30 days of holding costs versus their 90 days of holding costs, like taxes, insurance, mortgage payments, utilities. So all of that takes into play of what your bottom line, what you actually make. We can also do seller financing, or strategies that they just can't, in order to help you with the best decision possible for your particular situation. Again, and the last is a quick close. We can offer a quick closing, like I mentioned, within 30 days, sometimes even quicker. We've closed within a week or 2. And then, again, we're local and we truly care. We truly care about you, and we truly care about getting you out of your situation and helping you the best way we can. So again, that is why we suggest going with a professional home buyer like us here at Amaze Properties, instead of one of those big company iBuyers. So give us a call, visit us on the web at josephbuyshomes.com, and we look forward to hearing from you and helping you as best we can, and getting you out of your situation as soon as possible. Thanks, and have a great day. Hope to talk to you soon. Take care.